This is the Vortex Ranger. Ranger rangefinders are easy to use and feature a clean, illuminated display and highly intuitive menu. The primary HCD mode displays an angle-compensated distance that is ideal for the majority of hunters and shooters with either rifle or bow. An advanced LOS mode provides you an option to calculate long-distance, high-angle shots with increased precision. A scan feature gives continuous range readings as you pan across the landscape or track a moving target. 3 brightness settings allow you to keep the display visible in various lighting conditions. The Vortex Ranger runs on a common CR2 battery, and a battery life indicator is always visible in the display. The included neck lanyard and removable utility clip make the Ranger easy to pack and keep handy. Fully multi-coated lenses deliver optimal light transmission. Textured rubber armor provides a secure non-slip grip, and waterproof and fog-proof performance keep the system operating even in the harshest conditions. The Ranger rangefinder is the perfect choice for your next outdoor adventure.
Epson's Perfection V600 color scanner delivers extraordinary quality and versatility to those who demand superior performance for their home, office, or studio. You'll receive amazing image reproduction with 6400 by 9600 DPI optical resolution, allowing you to create brilliant enlargements up to 17 inches by 22 inches. The V600 features a built-in transparency unit that accommodates slides, negatives, and medium format film, so you scan and preserve practically any image from your photo archives. Remarkable digital ice technology for both film and prints automatically removes defects, erasing scratches and dust from film and fixing creases and tears on prints, saving you money on costly photo retouching. With Epson Easy Photo Fix, you'll restore favorite old photos to their original color with one touch. The V600 comes complete with Adobe Photoshop elements to help you edit and enhance your digital images. Its ReadyScan LED light source uses less power while offering greater productivity, requiring no warm-up time and producing your scans more quickly, and no mercury means it's better for the environment. The V600 even includes ABBY FineReader Sprint Plus optical character reader software, so you can easily convert scanned documents into editable text. With its power, versatility, and outstanding quality, the Epson Perfection V600 photo scanner is the comprehensive solution for your scanning and imaging needs.
under any kitchen cabinet perfectly.
We've already finished designing and prototyping JUNO.
And now we need your help to bring it to production. With your support, we can help make your kitchen a whole lot cooler.